the new symbol of Uzbekistan, its history and independence. It's also called 30th Anniversary Monument that was brought in 2021 to life by the Turkish company, namely Outdoor Factory. It was completed in 63 days. The monument was significant historical value, is one of the most important city symbols in the world. The monument reflects the most important historical and cultural national values of Uzbekistan. A variety of materials used to construct the structure, the long history of Uzbekistan. In the monument, there are Silk Road structure works that have great importance in the history of the world trade. The eight-pointed star, which has an important meaning in Turkish history, is symbolized in the bird's eye view of the monument. At the highest point of the monument, there is the Hummaz bird, which is of historical importance due to its rise from its ashes, shining like a star in the whole city with its special lighting. This monument located capital city of Tashkent.